Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. Today we are going to do Northern Lights with watercolor. You can say this aurora Australis or aurora borealis, whatever you want. So let's start it. If you have followed my previous painting videos, you know for most of watercolor paintings you need to wash your paper first with plain water, then you can apply your watercolor. For the first layer, I am using two color, one turquoise blue and another is intense green. I mix together and I create this bluish bright color. We are going to do a reflection of northern light in water. I am going to do mirror effect. Now for the darker portion of light, I am adding cobalt blue and Pines gray together. Just make sure at this point your paper is still wet. For more reflection, you need to clean your brush and then soak the excess pigment of the color, and make sure whenever you apply second time, your brush need to clean again. Once your first layer of painting is completely dry, then apply second time plain water on top on that. Then I am going to do the dark portion again. For that I mix three color, one's cobalt blue, Pines gray and little bit of turquoise blue. Don't over brush on your painting. For watercolor painting, your paper is most important thing. Try to use at least 300 grams cold press watercolor paper. I think we need a little bit more color on the lighter portion, so I mix cobalt blue and turquoise blue together and apply on the lighter portion color. When you are coloring, try not to ruin the white reflection area. It's very careful not to ruin that color, that portion. If you need more reflection, then again you can do that same process. Clean your brush and soak excess pigment from the color, and again when you apply second time, wash your brush and soak the excess color. Now I am going to do a mountain area. For that we need to dry our paper completely. Here I am using 3 color: Vedic brown, pines gray and little bit of black to create this mountain area. The lower part of the painting is water, so we need to do water reflection. So I am doing mirror effect of mountain here to create the water reflection. To create starry night, we need white gouache color, or you can use white acrylic color. I'll add little water with gouache color to make a thin consistency. Then with brush, I tap the brush and sprinkle the white color to create the stars on the sky. I hope you enjoyed this painting process. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this painting video and share with your friends and families. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get notification of my new videos. I will come again with new painting tutorial. Till then, bye and take care.